Sometimes when you search for something in a library database, the number of results may be overwhelming to read. Keywords are one way you can narrow your search. Think of keywords as synonyms to your search topic. As you search, you may discover new keywords. Look at the article's abstracts and subject terms to harvest some new keywords to try in future searches. Narrow results even further by using the database limiters to refine your results. These can include narrowing to peer-reviewed, publication date, and source types. Sometimes you might want to broaden your search when there aren't enough results. This can happen when you have a very specific or current topic. You can search all variations of a keyword at once by changing the word "and" to "or" in your search. If you need additional help with narrowing or broadening your search, ask a librarian.